Mana ndalo manok bang' jokedo ne ratich oganda ma jo Kenya we thuolo tok kanotegi e piny libamba ma Uganda kuom malo dwe achiel, kwayo koro imedo chwal ne sirikal ni mondo odew ngima jo Kenya ma pod isando e pinje ma oko mondo omi okonygi giduog pacho. Kata kamano, moko kuom jotelo mawuok e alwora mag Gusii kwayo jokedo ne ratich oganda mondo omi luor chike mag pinje ma libamba kaka yo mar geng'o sand ma ginyalo kale ka ginie pinje mawendo. Magi timore e kinde mar riwruoge mag oganda to medo ywak e wi okenge mirocho godo ratich oganda to moloyo e kinde ni ma pinje ma libamba bedo gi yiero.
Activism should promote peace, and it is sad and unfortunate that we have Kenyans in our own country who will cross the border to go and cause chaos. That is absolutely not accepted. And I want to make it very clear that Kenya is a democratic country. There is freedom of speech, and in many countries it is not there. So people should not take advantage that in our constitution allows. We don't use the same constitution.
Therefore, those Kenyans who went to Tanzania, those Kenyans who went to Uganda, and any Kenyan who will be going to any other country, let him know very well the law applicable. First, the constitution applicable is the constitution of those countries. The Bill of Rights that we have in this country does not apply, and it's not binding to countries like Tanzania or Uganda. The penal code and any other laws applicable that deals with the politics of those countries will come into play.
Wakenya wamengoja kwa muda mrefu kuona hatua ambayo serikali inaichukua, na hilo limewakera sana wananchi wa Kenya, na activist wote wale wanaharakati wamekuwa wakingangania kuona kwamba uhuru wa kina Oyo, uhuru wao umepatikana. Lakini ni uhuru ambao umechukua muda mrefu sana kwa sababu ya hatua ambayo ilikuwa ya kujikokota. Sasa Wakenya tunahisi kwamba kuna namna ambavyo wanawashirikiana.